Hi everyone, so for today's problem, it says Agnes is bored and decides to color the walls of her bedroom. Her bedroom has a height of 90 inches and is a rectangle with dimensions 200 by 500 inches. The places she will not color are two windows of dimensions 30 by 60 inches each. She will color her door, assuming a marker will run out of ink. After coloring 180 square inches, and Agnes is not picky about the color, how many markers will she need to use? So for this problem, you have a rectangle. Her room is basically a rectangle, 200 and 500. So first, the total area of her walls is just like, so this one, we'll call this the north wall, this east wall, the south wall, and the west wall. So the north wall is just 500 by 90, so that's 45,000 square inches. The south wall is the same thing. The east wall is a 200 by 90 rectangle, which is 18,000 square inches. And the west wall is the same as the east wall. So this is not counting the windows. So the windows are each 30 by 60, and there are two of them. So each window is 30 by 60. So each window is 1,800 square inches, and times 2, that's 3,600 square inches total. So then the total area that she will color is just 45,000 plus 45,000 plus 18,000 plus 18,000 minus 3,600. So this is just 126,000 minus 3,600, which is, let's see, 110, 40. So it's just 122,400 square inches, and each marker can only cover 180 square inches. So if we divide that, it's a lot of calculation. Anyways, so first this is X, I think. So I finished the division. It's 680. So she needs 680 markers. She's gonna be coloring for a long time.